Vidura College, Infants and Playgroup, Communication and Literacy Skills, Listening. Hello, my dear children. How are you today? Hope you all are safe. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story. Do you like to listen to the story? The Ant and the Bird. Once upon a time, there lived a little ant in the forest. One day, this ant climbed a tree and went through the branches in search of food. Oh, the ant slipped from the branch and fell into the water. The ant shouted and cried for help. Help, help! Please help me! A bird saw that the ant was in trouble. Oh, poor ant! Don't worry, my little ant. I can help you, the bird said. The bird quickly plucked a leaf and dropped to the water near the struggling ant. The ant crawled up onto the leaf.
Thank you for saving my life. You are a very good friend,
said ant. It's my pleasure, my friend, replied the bird. That is the end of the story. Children, now tell me, what did you learn from the story? Yes, we learn that we always have help each other. Children, now I am going to ask some questions. Who fell into the water? Yes, ant. Ant fell into the water. Now tell me, who helped the ant? Yes, bird. Bird helped the ant. Okay, my dear children. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Let us meet again soon. Take care. Bye.